Well, it's all happening. We're finally getting this bad boy fixed. I'm not sure if you saw one of our last episodes down at Lang where we come in at about 1 a.m. in the morning, and Laura accidentally jackknifed the caravan and hit the back tail light. We were never really concerned about it until actually went to Toyota, and they told us how much it was going to cost to replace, which was like $670 or something, and about $250 to install it. And I was like, oh God, there's got to be a better way. Fortunately enough, there was someone that watched that particular video and said, oh look, a really good idea is actually call the conversion companies up in Queensland, because they have all the leftover rear ends of the car, of the 300 series that get left there, and basically they've got brand new tail lights. So I thought, geez, that's a bloody great idea. So we got in contact with Creative Conversions up in Queensland and DMW Conversions as well. Creative Conversions quoted about $250, but you had to physically pick it up from Queensland, and that wasn't going to be viable for us. And DMW quoted $150, and they said, no worries, we'll send it to you. And we just paid for the freight for that. So I think it was well under $300. So great result. And with a week later, bang, there we have our brand new tail light. I've got no idea how to fit, but I'm going to find out. There you go. All sorted. So yeah, it's just a matter of these clips obviously plug straight into here and clip on here, and then you've just got your normal plug and play there. How I worked that out was I looked at the brand new one, because I obviously couldn't see him behind there to see what was going on over here, but I looked at the brand new one and realised the 2 bolts that come through here obviously go into the side here, and then the panel goes over the top of it. These 2 lugs, there was nowhere else it was bolted to, so these 2 lugs just slip straight in. So I figured I'll get some old wire and wrap around there and try to pull it back out that way. And fortunately enough, it actually worked. So now all I need to do is, this doesn't have a globe in it, the brand new one. So I'll get the globe out of the old one, plug the mechanism back in, and we should be able to just click that straight back in, bolt it back up, and we're good to go. Have it. It's just a matter of changing that loom over, and we'll be good to go. brand new. What I'll do before I put everything back in, I'll make sure that it actually works, and then I can finish it all off. Well, there you have it. I'm super wrapped with that result. It just goes to show, you know, even though, like, I had no idea how to do that. It's just, you think your way through it. There's even YouTube if you want to look that up. I didn't even do that. I just put sort of two and two together and realised how it sort of went. And fortunately, you know, didn't break any clips or anything like that. So, you know, it saved us a fair bit of money there doing that ourselves. And then the other thing it does, if something happens out on the road, at least I know how that light goes in together. It's, you know, it might blow a globe or something like that. Rather than taking it into Toyota, getting ripped a new one, you can change it yourself. It's not that difficult, it's just the know-how. It's just the little bits of thought that goes into it. But there you have it. Brand new tail light. I'm going to go give the old girl or the new girl a wash, bit of a birthday, and get ready for a build next week. So tune in for that one. We'll see you then. Thanks, guys. And this is going straight to the pool room, just so I can remind Laura what she did back at Lang Lang. Love you, darling.